Welcome the our channel. Today we how to fix Udacity login issues, account and subscription errors step by step clearly. First, confirm you are using the official Udacity website or the official Udacity mobile app to avoid fake login pages. Check your internet connection by opening two other websites, then switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data if pages do not load. Make sure your device date and time are set to automatic, because incorrect time can block secure sign-in. Open Udacity in an incognito or private browser window to rule out cached data problems. If incognito works, clear your browser cache and cookies for udacity.com, then restart the browser. Disable browser extensions like ad blockers, script blockers, and VPN extensions, then try signing in again. If you are using a VPN, turn it off and retry, because some regions or IP ranges can trigger security blocks. Try a different browser such as Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or Safari to isolate browser-specific issues. If you use the Udacity app, force close it, reopen it, and check for updates in the App Store or Google Play. If the app still fails, clear the app cache on Android or reinstall the app on iPhone and Android. On the login page, verify you are entering the correct email address and that there are no spaces before or after it. If you forgot your password, click Forgot Password, request a reset, and wait a few minutes for the email. Check spam, promotions, and junk folders, and search for Udacity to find the password reset email quickly. If the reset email never arrives, try requesting it again after 10 minutes and ensure your mailbox is not full. If you previously used Google or Apple sign-in, use the same method again instead of email/password login. If Google sign-in fails, log out of other Google accounts in the browser and try with only the correct account active. If Apple sign-in fails, check iCloud settings and ensure you are using the same Apple ID as before. If you see an account not found message, confirm whether you registered with a different email or a social login. If your account seems locked or suspicious activity is detected, wait the required. For subscription errors, sign in and open account settings, then go to billing or subscription to check your status. If payment failed, update your card details, ensure funds are available, and confirm your card supports online recurring payments. If you were charged but access is missing, refresh the page, log out and log in, and then check your classroom access again. If you subscribed via Apple or Google, manage the subscription in the App Store or Google Play because Udacity may not control renewals there. If you canceled but still see charges, verify the cancellation date and look for renewal receipts in your email and store purchase history. If you see access expired unexpectedly, confirm the plan type, the billing cycle, and whether the subscription actually renewed. Try switching networks and repeating the billing page check, because payment confirmation pages can fail to load on restricted networks. Collect evidence before contacting support by taking screenshots of error messages, receipts, and the billing page status. Contact Udacity support through the Help Center with your registered email, payment method type, and exact error text for faster resolution. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.